Hello everyone, my name is Lucas, aka Heat Source, and this is a follow-up video on double stacks. I'm going to be going over some ways to exit the double stack that I've been working on. This is by no means a comprehensive list. For other double stackers out there, I'd love to see what you come up with. So I'm just going to go through each variation one by one, and you can pick out your favorite or all of them and start practicing them in your own time. Just to recap, the classic double stack, onto my dominant hand, split with the same hand. Let's go through them. Variation one. Variation one is a little different, not much. You just tap it with your non-dominant hand. That's quite fun. Variation two, we're going to stack it, catch it with the left hand into a figure eight for only one beat, and then toss to split. So it looks like this. Okay. Onto my dominant hand, figure eight, split. Variation number three. Variation three incorporates a Kirby wrap. So onto the dominant hand, Kirby wrap, split. Now this one is going to be trickier than the other variations because on the split, they will be spinning the other way. So that variation will only be possible if you know both ways of finger sticking. Variation number four, stack, toss into vertical. Variation number three and four, where you catch it into a figure eight, you want to make sure it's a very, very clean stack. If you've seen them stack slightly off, I would abort trying to do it into a figure eight, because the problem is, as you transition into a figure eight, there's a good chance they'll split before you can even do the toss. Variation number five, this one will actually be an easier version of the double stack, but it's still kind of flashy. When you go for your double stack, you actually just launch the other Flowstar into it, and it like insta splits essentially. Slightly easier, but also just a cool variant. So yeah, those are some 5 variations you can try with your double stacks. This is a very tricky move. Keep trying, keep persevering, and yeah, enjoy the process. My name's been Lucas. Thank you for watching these tutorials. It means a lot to me. If you liked the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.